So this is the Fairphone 4 where the power button has stopped working pretty randomly today. I was able to press it earlier on for like 5 times and it was still working, and then it suddenly stopped working at all, so this went down really quickly. It got some water damage around 3 months ago, and I suspected that's where it's coming from. So I think I found a way to fix it. It is not actually the power button itself that is broken, but some contacts between the button cable and the actual PCB. So to fix this, you will have to remove the display, which is these screws here on the outside. There's an official video from Fairphone how to remove that. Then obviously remove the battery. Actually, you remove the battery first because of the contacts. Then you unscrew all these modules. That one has PH00 screws. That one also PH0. And then this one is TX5. Then you have access to the PCB. And if you take that one out, now I've already done all that, so it comes out easily. Usually it needs a bit of careful wiggling. Then you will find that on this side there is some gold contacts over there that have like a spring mechanism to push against these contacts over here. These ones are for the power button and these ones are for the fingerprint sensor. You can actually trace those cables back on the rear side to see where they're coming from, and there you can already see that there was some corrosion, which I have already largely removed. I avoided using contact cleaner or something because I didn't want to potentially ruin the contacts, and first try to carefully remove the corrosion with some like a fiber cloth. And so far that seems to have worked. I don't know how long it will last, but can still use a contact cleaner as a last resort. Yeah, so just clean those contacts and try and put it back together. If you want to check beforehand if it's really the contacts or the button, you can use a multimeter and actually measure the resistance. If you press the button, then the lower contact and the second from the bottom, or like the third and the fourth contact, should be connected and have a low resistance, and obviously the opposite if the button is not pressed. Yeah, so that's it, and I hope you find this useful and it will actually fix your problem. Otherwise, the button itself, I haven't found any spare parts for it. Luckily I didn't have to replace mine. Yeah, good luck.